The top 5 best copper grill mats recommendation. Let's get started. Recommendation number 1. Smid Copper Grill Mat. Thickness of copper sheet of this product is just up to mark. Then what makes it number 1 in our list? Undoubtedly, the sheet is strong and durable, which means you can grill or bake without hesitating. They are heat resistance up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Made from the best quality material, reviewing Smid Copper Grill Mats for you is fun as they are healthy base for cooking food. The best feature of this copper sheet is, it easily goes along with charcoal, gas and electric grills. The food also gets perfect grill marks, which makes it look delicious. You can cut and reshape them according to the size you need. Apart from that, the company promises of 100% satisfaction, which means you will definitely buy their product again and again. Recommendation number 2. Yoshi Copper Grill and Bake Mats. The most famous as seen on TV Yoshi Copper Grill Mats and Bake Mat acquires number 2 position on our list. What makes this brand so popular? Let us find out. The major feature of using this sheet is, it can be used for both grilling and baking. Which means one sheet can be used several times for 2 different purposes. The surface of the mat is non-sticky, which means food can easily slide off. Made with real copper, these mats are durable and healthy for use. You can alter size of copper mat by cutting them. Hence, no need to worry about perfect size. So, stop worrying about your best pellet grill and smoker purchases, it is going to keep them safe. Easy to use. Reusable. Reversible. Recommendation number 3. FDA approved barbecue grill mat. Rim Height is one of the best local copper grill mats. It holds a special place in our review because of its quality. Apart from it, they have professional customer service team which is ready to help you anytime. The copper-induced mats are free from chemicals. It means healthy cooking every time you use them. Also, the non-stick surface prevents food from sticking. Copper sheets can be used for cooking as well as baking. Both the sides of mat are usable. But what if it doesn't fit in small oven? No worries, you can always trim them for convenient use. Non-stick surface. Reusable. Easy to clean. Dishwasher safe. Heat resistance up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Water repellent. Recommendation number 4. Lucha Gold Grill Mat. Lucha Gold Grill Mats are ideal to use on any type of grill. You can easily cut and reshape them according to your requirement. Also, the surface of copper mat is non-sticky, which means no greasiness while cooking food. These copper mats can withstand temperature up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Enough to cook delicious meat, right? The only thing you need to take care is, keep little distance between fire and sheet. The mats contains no silicone. That means healthy cooking every time you use them. Instead of barbecue sauce causing food to stick and become mangled or burned, it will flip over easily to remain intact, and cook to perfection. This results in better tasting food, but also makes cleaning up afterward far easier and less time consuming. Recommendation number 5. Oakon Copper Grill Mat. As we are near to end our best copper grill mat reviews, Oakon copper sheets do not fail you in providing the perfect grilling experience. The surface of the sheet is 100% non-stick, which means no sticking of food. These copper mats also prevent the smallest morsels from falling through the grates. Hence, keeps the surface clean. The copper mats are reusable many times. So enjoy cooking and baking mess-free. 100% non-stick surface. FDA approved. 100% PFOA-free materials. PTFE fiberglass coating. They are totally washable and reusable. Almost like a thin, flexible pan, they are made from fiberglass fabric coated PTFE.